Namaskaram. We've all struggled with digestive issues before and it's nothing to be embarrassed about. Let's get right into it. 5. The right food at the right time. You are more active in the daytime than at night. So it naturally makes more sense to eat heavier foods in the middle of the day and lighter, easy to digest foods in the evening. If you like eating rice, wheat and other carbohydrates, save that for the breakfast and lunch. Avoid them at dinner because you have less time to burn it off before you go to sleep. Eat more protein-rich foods for dinner. Soup is good, so are leafy greens and other protein vegetables. These are easier to digest and are better for the nighttime. Avoid spicy, cold, fermented and frozen foods. Always eat freshly cooked food. 6. Exercise regularly. Exercising regularly fuels your digestive fire. If your digestive fire is not fueled, your stomach will make your life very uncomfortable. 7. Use the right amount of spices when cooking. Spices in Indian cooking are an absolute must. Food is not food for us Indians until we've put in the right combination of spices to make it yummy. Too many spices can make your food difficult to digest. You don't want to be running to the loo every 10 minutes after eating a helping of spicy curry. But neither do you want to be eating bland food with absolutely no spices. This isn't good for your digestion anyway. If the process of digestion is sluggish, your body creates a sticky food residue called toxin that can clog the channels in the body and hinder the process of assimilation, which is the process of the nutrients in your body going where they are supposed to go. Drink ginger tea with cinnamon, cloves, black pepper and cumin. Make it a regimen of adding ajwain and turmeric to your food. But remember that all spices should be used in moderation. 8. Avoid cold drinks and cold food. Ingesting cold food and drink weakens your digestive fire. It's like putting cold water on burning logs. It completely puts it out. Have you ever noticed that if you have a cold drink with hot food, you can feel a bit uncomfortable afterwards? Cold drinks and foods mixed with warm foods can cause the stomach cramps, bloating and general discomfort in the stomach. 9. Practice having an Ayurvedic diet. Follow daily Ayurvedic routines to keep your body balanced and ultimately free from illnesses. Some of the essential routines include oil pulling, NASYA, which is putting oil drops in the nose, oil massage and exercise. We'll talk a bit more about these in the videos to come. Follow all these important Ayurvedic health tips to improve your digestion. Let us know in the comments below which tip you like the most. We'll see you soon. Pranam.
Do subscribe to our channel to get free tips on health, yoga, diet, nutrition, lifestyle, exercise and spirituality.